Hello friends, my name is Siddharth Joshi, Assistant Professor LJ Institute of Physiotherapy. Today's topic is types of electromagnetic radiation in spectrum. Before we start this topic, one should be very thorough with introduction of electromagnetic radiation. What is electromagnetic radiation? What is frequency? What is wavelength? So these are the basic topic one should be very clear before you start this video. Today's topic is very important for biomedical physics and electrotherapy also, because without understanding the electromagnetic spectrum there is no use to give any modalities. So let's start today's topic, types of electromagnetic radiation in spectrum. So first wave is our radio waves. So radio waves has longest wavelength and lowest frequency. So before start this topic, one should know the definition of wavelength, one should know what is the frequency and what is the connection between the wavelength and frequency. So in radio waves, it is the longest wavelength and lowest frequency. Uses are radio broadcasting, satellite dish, television and cell phones. This is the radio waves lowest energy in electromagnetic spectrum. So in diagram you can understand very easily what are the uses of the electromagnetic radiation, especially radio waves which has very high wavelength and very less frequency. After that, the second one is our microwave. Microwave are radio waves with high frequency. It has high frequency and uses are cooking in microwave ovens, cell phones and radar images. So these are the uses of microwave. Cooking in microwave ovens, cell phones and radar images, that is under Doppler. Then types of electromagnetic radiation. Radio waves have FM, that is frequency modulation, AM, that is amplitude modulation and satellite. And in microwave, penetration, food and vibrate water and fat molecules to produce thermal energy. See, this is the way to produce the thermal energy in microwaves. Penetrate food and vibrate water and fat molecules to produce the thermal energy. So this is under microwave and radio wave. Third one is infrared waves. This is very important for physiotherapy perspective, because in future we will use infrared radiation also. So infrared waves, that is called IR, felt as a heat energy or warmth given off by all warm objects. See, this is very important topic. Any heating body emits IR given off by all warm objects. All warm objects release infrared radiation. Example, heat lamps, remote controls, vegetation reflect short IRR waves, radiator heaters are long IRR waves known as a thermal IR or far IR. Now, types of electromagnetic radiation. That is, infrared radiation means IRR. See, in the diagram you can easily understand slightly lower energy than the visible light. What is that? Infrared. Infrared radiation, slightly lower energy than visible light, can raise the thermal energy of object. And thermogram, that is image made by detecting IRR radiation. See, in the diagram you can easily understand the lower diagram is made by the IRR. Number 4, visible light, that is our light. Visible light, only part on electromagnetic spectrum we can see. Then all the color, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, these are the color. After that, how visible light produced, that is under 10 plus 2 or in 9th standard. White light is made up of all the colors in the rainbow. Prism reflects white light and separate it into all the colors. Now after that, another one is our physiotherapy point of view, ultraviolet radiation, UVR. It is invisible sunlight, produce vitamin D, sunscreen protects our skin, sunglasses protects our eyes, it can kill bacteria, insect can see UV light, we can't. We can't see UV. It is the invisible light. Ultraviolet radiation, slightly higher energy than the visible light, types UVA, UVB and UVC. UVA for tanning and wrinkles, UVB for sunburn and cancer, UVC is most harmful sterilization. So these are the uses of how to use that condition. This is the ultraviolet radiation, ozone layer depletion, UV exposure, more severe sunburn and cancer. Now coming to the point X-ray. It is the second highest frequency high energy used in airports and hospitals, given off by stars, and one of the cause of cancer. Very high exposure or very high time exposure causes the biggest cause of the cancer. Then higher energy than UV and can penetrate soft tissue but not bones. See, it cannot be penetrate from the bones. So it is used for X-ray purpose. After that, gamma ray, that is shortest wavelength. If shortest wavelength, then automatically it will become the highest frequency. Nuclear explosion that occurs within stars like our sun and given off by stars and radioactive substances. This is the gamma rays, highest energy EM radiation emitted by radioactive atoms used to kill cancerous cells. So this is the radio wave 0.1 mm to 1 kilometer, IRR infrared 750 to 4000 nanometer, visible light that is 400 to 750 nanometer, ultraviolet radiation that is 10 to 400 nanometer, and X-ray and gamma rays is 0.1 picometer to 1 nanometer. So this is the basics of electromagnetic radiation and types. Thank you.